In this video of today, I'll walk you through on how to get your tax ID from your NIN, okay? For Nigerian content creators who create content on Facebook and on YouTube, and for other, citizens of Nigeria that need this. Let's just get right into it. The first step is to launch a web browser. As your web browser opens, visit https column two forward slashes taxid.nrs.gov.ng. Please be careful here. HTTPS. Ensure that you write it this way because if you just write taxid.nrs.gov.ng without putting this, it may give you error that the site is not secured. So ensure it's HTTPS. So let me search. You'll be taken to a page that looks like this. You have here individual, which is selected by default. Okay, if you find yourself here or here, please click on this individual. And in this task ID retrieval method, click here and select this national identity number. Okay, which is cool. Selected by default. Click here and enter your NIN. Once you finish entering your NIN, click on this button which says Retrieve Task ID. Then here, enter your first name, your last name, and your date of birth. So here, I've entered this basic information, including date of birth. I'll click on this box, then click on Submit. Here is the task ID, okay? Some part of it is hidden for security reason. You can click on Copy and go and paste it somewhere. So, and with this, you're good to go. If you experience error when you're trying this, please start the process again and ensure that the place for first name, your real name is entered there, and the place for last name, your surname should enter there. And when you do that, you get it correct.